Yeah, hello guys. In this video tutorial, I will be continuing from where I stopped 2 days ago. Thanks for watching this video. Odeyemi Akinyemi remains my humble name. In the last video, I taught us about how to install this trading view, how to set it up. But you might be wondering that mine is quite different because you are seeing some kind of trend line and an arrow pop up. Yes, it is just the half trend. Half trend. Look at it here. The same procedure I taught us on how to install the other one is the same procedure I'm teaching us on how to install this very one. So once you just get it installed, the same procedure. The name is half trend. So let me go ahead and add the, you can see the name half trend, then the open close cross strategy is this double trend line here. Then the half trend is this one that has arrow. Then the phone is ascending is this one that will pop up now. I don't know why is it not showing, but you knew how it was the other time. So maybe my network is not allowing it to come up. I don't know. So let me give it a try again or to refresh. Let's see. Okay, it's there now. You can see it here. Okay. So you might be asking, how do we use this trading system? Now, I've told us how to actually set it up this way. All we are just interested in is, you want to know how this setting is. Look at it here. Come to this phone is ascending, click on setting. Then once you click on setting, look at my own setting. Just take a look at it and you can replicate the same thing. This energy, you silent it also. So you silent the energy. Now, do you see the way it is now? Take a look at it again so you can replicate the same thing. I silence the green line, I silence the energy, and I silence every other level. These levels, level 70 to level 30, I silence them by clicking on this box. You see? So do okay. Now, good. Do the same thing to yours. How do you trade? You trade, you look for an opportunity. I actually set this to 5 minutes time frame because cryptocurrency is very volatile and you want to quickly jump at the offer. Short time trading. If you want to go on long term trading, then you might use a bigger time frame. If you are actually trading long, look at this trend now. XLM USDT is going down, it's breaking out, it's going down. Then the way it is now, look at this dot has already appeared here. When this dot has already appeared and the green, the blue and the red are already over intersecting, that is when you also have entered this trade. If you had entered this trade, then it should have been in the money, but not the less. Once the yellow is already outside the upper band and the blue red are already outside the upper band, we will see that the trend here, the trend would have also be out upper, that is to say this candle here is the trend, would have been above the green. All the trend lines would have been above. Look at the breakout, great breakout here. You can just enter your XLM USDT. Look at your crypto world. If you log in the account now, so I'm going to show you something in your crypto world now, the CWE, but I removed the money directly. I've removed the money. Sorry, at times when I'm overwhelmed, I do some around, but it means nothing to me. But let's come to, hence this is not working now. Let me quickly reload. Then, okay, come up. Okay, this is my crypto world evolution account. When I get here, I click on, I don't know why it's slow this morning. O. I click on my software. I click on hybrid. I go to new hybrid USDT, but in this case, I will do paper because I moved the money out to trading. I moved the money from my USDT wallet to my BNB wallet. So I will trade the paper, then sorry, new hybrid paper. I come to select, I click on USDT, I click on Binance, I put my select key. This is USDT. Come back here and let me look at the signal. It has actually gone past when I was supposed to have entered. Okay, but I'm going to remove this arrow here because most often I would have entered the trade before the arrow comes up. So I'm going to be removing this indicator, the half trend. I don't really need it. The half trend is not needed for this trading system at all. It's not really needed. You can see here when the crossover, in this system, all you need to do is to do what? You buy when the market is deep. When this market is deep, that is when you buy. What do I mean? Let us go to our crypto world and see XLM. Click on select coin, type XLM, then that is Stella Martins. Okay, so let's allow it to load. Look at it here. When you see something like strong sell, that is when you are supposed to enter the market. Okay, strong sell. If you even put on 5 minutes, it says sells also. 1 minute is strong sell. In this case, I'm going to trade. Remember, this is a demo account, but in your the demo account, there is no way we can set our stop loss, as in what's it called? Oh, trailing loss or the trailing setting. It cannot be set up here. So investing, this is demo account, $500. I will just put here, which means that then the target, I'll leave it blank because my stop loss is $100, which means any amount I invest, I will lose this money only when the price of Stellar comes back to $0. Zero, everything is Stellar. It's no more existing. That is when you will lose this money. That is why in cryptocurrency trading, you don't lose money if you can wait. Okay, if you can wait, you don't lose. So just place the trade and buy, then click on add hybrid, then you confirm. But I wish I can have another signal during the course of this trading, of this tutorial. Okay, so when it starts, when the market kicks off, it's going to kick off in negative because of the fee. Your transaction fee will be deducted automatically. Okay, so now let's go back to our trading view. We actually mix this move. So let's go to another one. For instance, CWE or Olympus team sends you a signal. You come to your trading view. You don't need to be in haste or in panicking. You don't need to panic. Come to your trading view. You can just come and check it out on 5 minutes time frame. Look at this. This is the perfect time here. Look at this. Look at the curve here. Look at the dot here. Once you have seen it this way, then you now go to your crypto world and go to new hybrid to see if the condition has been met. Binance select API, come up, man. Then it is USDT. I will type here BNB. I will now, okay, Binance Coin. Let me see. I want to look at the signal. Is it on strong sell? No, it's not on strong sell. Okay, 5 minutes? No, it's not. Let me come here and change this time frame also to 5 to synchronize with this. No. So now it says buy. We can't do anything. It is because you don't want to buy when you see buy here because they are going to dump on you. When you see sell or strong sell, preferably when these conditions on the trading views are met, when these conditions are met, that is the best time to come here. When it is on strong sell, then you enter the market. That is what I analyze with here. So hope you now know how to use this trading system. Let's do one more example. For instance, we are given cello signal and you click on it. No way, this one is not going. You can just come here. Before that, you can go to your coin market cap. When you go to coin market cap and you look at the 24 hours and the 7 hour difference, the 7 days and the 24 hours the difference. Once the 7 days is on green and the 24 hour is on red, like this Cardano, the 7 days are on green, 24 hours is on red. Then you come to trading view and type ADA here, ADA USDT, look under the Binance and you click on it. You see it here, it's telling me that it's about to do what? It's about to rise. Okay, but it is only when it's about to rise, when this dot everything is below. Please, I think I made a mistake in my explanation. It's when this blue and red line, when they are below the 25 mark, when they are below the lower band, and this dot have appeared, you should be prepared for a reversal. Then you should be prepared for a reversal. And also, if you look at this trend line, you draw your trend line here. If you are able to draw a trend line here, look at this place. Look at the last two. uh, this region here, where the previous support was, the previous two supports where they were. You might be able, you might just want to wait and see here and let this trend comes down more and touch, then you enter your trade. It will go up because I think it's a strong support area. It obeys it. The market came here, tested it, it went, it came back, it went, it's not coming back again. So now this is ADA. Go to your crypto world now, the same procedure, but when you get to select coin, put your ADA and see what is going to happen. And look at what I'm talking about. It's telling you strong sell, strong sell. Once you say strong sell, it is the best time to enter this market. This is the best time to enter this market. Now, I'm going to make a trade here now. I'm going to make a trade here now. I will click on buy at market price. Then $500. Then you trade. But if I were to be on this platform here, uh, there's a platform I want to show us. What I'm doing here now, this analysis here, it would have been so sweet on this second platform because it's very easy for you to set your trade to buy limits. You will just set your trade on buy limit so that when the red comes down, this trend comes and touches it, it moves up automatically. That is your buy limit. But unfortunately, we might mix out of this trade because we have already given. No. Let me refresh. We have already given this robot here to trade at a condition only when the price goes down a little bit. That is why you see both, they are still analyzing. You told them, uh, keep analyzing, keep watching until when the price comes a little bit more below before you trade. Look at, if you are trade at market price, you would have been in profit. But in cryptocurrency, you don't need to be in haste. I think I've been able to make 2 or 3 examples on how to use this trading system. I will be making a video shortly on a platform where it is more gorgeous. I'm making a video later, but actually it may not be dropped on this group. Okay. Thanks for watching. Odeyemi Akinyemi remain my humble name. Thank you and God bless you.